Hello everyone, in this video we will see how to connect Google Cloud for N8N. First, go to the N8N website or open the N8N app. Now, click on Add First Step to start a new workflow. Now, search for Google Cloud in the search bar and click on Google Cloud Storage. Here, choose the option to create a new bucket. This will let you make a strong space in Google Cloud. Now, click on Select Credential and then click on Create New Credential. Here, you need to enter your client ID and client secret. These can be found in your Google Cloud Console under the API and Services and Credentials section. After entering them, click on Sign in with Google. Now, select the resource you want to work with like Bucket, Object, or Custom API call, depending on what you're planning to do. Next, select the operations such as create, delete, get, etc. Then, enter your project ID which you can find in your Google Cloud dashboard. After that, enter the bucket name. This is the name of the cloud storage bucket you want to work with. Now, select the projection. For example, choose between all properties or no ACL, depending on how much information you need about a bucket. Then, click on Add Access Control Parameters if you want to define who can access the bucket. You can also add metadata parameters if you want to include extra information with your files. Now, click to Save or Continue and go back to review everything. Check your connection and your Google Cloud should now be integrated with N8N successfully. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe for more content like this.